myself Rishikesh Valle, participating for the Cultural and Literary Secretary. So, starting with the question, what does life mean? Like, what do you feel like life in IDH mean? Sorry, wrong question. Fine. I feel like life is full of memories, right? So, coming into IITH, it doesn't mean like come to IITH, study well, take a certificate, and bye bye. No, it's something like we have friends, we create something more here, right? And this is why we are the Cultural Council of IIT Hyderabad. Coming to me, I'm a second year undergraduate computer science department, and I have been the lead dancer of the dance club for the past 1 year, and I am the current vice lead of IIT Hyderabad Student Satellite Program. And I have organized several Gymkhana and Elan events I have organized Elan's breakthrough event before last year, and I have been organizing Open Mic last year and also Freshers Night. So organizing all these events, I have a good, I know the in and out points of Gymkhana. What happens with the clubs especially. Next slide. Coming to each and every club, any club will have basically three types of people. First one is, he has got interest but he doesn't come to club. Second one is, he has got interest and he comes to club and he will be participating. And third one is, chalo open mein aa gaya, chalo club mein jaake kuch karte hain. Right, the event busters. So my plan is something like this. For the beginners, we'll go like for every 2 weeks we'll be having an open session. Citing an example of music, music might have a guitar session, drum session and etc. Right? For the whole 1 month means they'll be having 2 sessions of one music style. Like guitar, 2 open sessions in 1 month. So that everyone can participate. Like we are trying to increase more incoming points to the club. Secondly, enthusiastic amateurs. Fine, these people will be active and they will be in the regular parts of the club and we will be taking them in. It's good. Coming to event busters, if they approach us a bit early, we can help them out. So, why coordinating with Sunshine? Actually, freshman is someone like a person like freshman when comes to the college, he will listen to his mentor at least for one month at least, right? So, actually our mentors are not that clear of what happens in the cultural club. You're getting my point? There may be like some mentors might not know what happens in some specific clubs. So my motto is, me along with my council will discuss with the mentor group along with the respective Sunshine heads and will let them know what happens in cultural club first. And so that the same thing can be propagated to the people of like, the freshmen coming. Next. These are my initiatives. First one being choose your fest. So from what the lessons I have learned from dance club, I am pretty sure that if we don't go to festivals, we don't know where we are, right? We don't know what the plus points are, what's our, like where we have to develop and what to do. Hence, I feel it must be a must for a club to go to participate in at least one event in one semester. And I'm pretty sure that I can arrange budget for that. The second thing, Kalki Yatra. I have heard from one of our very active clubs, Literary Society, they managed to get Rashmi Bansal to our campus. Like, they could have got Rashmi Bansal to our campus with some, it stopped because of some small security reasons. So, from this idea, I got to know that yes, people like Rashmi Bansal can come to IIT Hyderabad. There is enough G in us. The point is, we don't try. So, I want to try that professionals must come to a club and interact with the students so that they will be motivated. If there is no motivation, the club is not going to work properly. Next one, cult calendar. Why cult calendar? Whenever a club conducts an open session, it gets clashed with some static session. Is that not right? Many times that happened. So I want to eradicate that by me along with the respective site secretary will be sitting together and making a calendar. I will mix up these two. As we are expected to go to the new campus, I am not pretty sure that I can keep more events. Because this is a transition period, guys. Understand? There will be issues. So I will continue the same DJ night and cultural night. And coming to the coordination between clubs, what I meant to say is, take an example of open mic. The decoration of open mic can be done by arts club. Is that wrong? It can be done. Like more people can be involved in that way. Why not like take an example? VFX club had excellent editors, but did anything come out from them? No. What happened? No footages. That can be given by some music club or dance club. Even that didn't happen. Next, I will make sure that the club has been censured. Next one. Administration. So how are you going to make all these things happen? The first thing is, my cultural council will be meeting with the past year's cultural council to make it renewed every time. The second thing is I will be monitoring the coordinators bi-weekly. Third thing, monthly updates I will be floating to everyone through mail. Fourth thing, there will be an extra cultural orientation for the PGs coming in MTech. We need some participation from there also. So I'll make sure that I get good feedback. Next. These are like a bit possible points, but a bit vague. Means they have some ambiguity in them. I will answer. First thing, why can't we have a marketing committee for the cultural clubs? Can I cite an example? Like suppose we dance club people use shoes, right? So the shoes will be of some specific brand, right? What if I can what if some X companies take some X company would sponsor us? Like I can get 50% off from that. We are reducing the load on the institute. I'm making to uninstall something like this. We don't need to depend every time on institute. Okay. The second thing, starting the culture of club nights. Maybe you have seen a mail for this Holi we are having a karaoke night. So that will be fun. That is just a 3,000 event. क्या जाता है उसमें? That's a very small event and a lot of fun in that. We can make such an event so that every club will be active. Third one, inspired from the SciTech events SciTech clubs culturing inspired from SciTech clubs maintaining the Envision Festival. All the events of the Envision Festival have been conducted by the SciTech clubs. I want to make a trial that all the cultural events of Elan can be done by our cultural clubs, because every respective club has got more exposure than the person who is newly coming into Elan. Next. These are the same from the constitution. Next. So sustainability of clubs is what we need. Why sustainability? Because if we don't have any sustainability, any new person who is coming into the cultural club will not have any will no longer hold any interest. We need a good solid cultural council. Next. Hence I request you, please do vote me to make the campus culturally sound perfect. Thank you.